to my channel. In this episode, we'll do a 5-minute self-acupressure massage to relieve or even to prevent the dizziness. And all the points are located on the head, so you can do it anytime and anywhere you want. Let's get started. The first point is 百会, or 100 Herbs in English. It was also introduced in the video for headache, in case you want to check it out. It's located in the middle point of the line connecting the apexes of your ears. We're gonna massage this point for 2 minutes. The second point is 神庭, divine yard in English. First, let's find the middle point of your hairline and put one thumb from the border of your hairline. So half thumb distance is 神庭 point. So actually it's quite close to your hairline. I will use 2 fingers to press this point for 1 minute. Let's move on to the third point, 风池 or wind pool, and they are one of my favorite points. First, show your neck, and here is a big muscle which connects the head and the shoulder. Use your thumb to go along this muscle, and you arrive at a light hollow where you can't go further, and that's the 风池 point. In the same way, you find another 风池 point on the left. We're gonna massage the 2 points together in circular motions for 1 minute. The last point is shuaigu, or leading valley. First, prepare your index and middle fingers. Put them together above the tip of the ear. And on the same line of the tip of the ear, you have the shuaigu point. In the same way, you get another shuaigu point on the right. We'll massage these 2 points together in circular motions for 1 minute. I feel more relaxed, and you? How do you feel? Tell me in the comments down below. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like to see more tutorial video from me, or if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video from me. I'll see you very soon. Bye!